Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Sounds and Haptics because that central menu controls tones. Once there, check Volume and the Ring versus Silent switch so you hear changes. Next, pick the notification type you want to change, text tones, mail, or app alerts, so you're editing the right sound. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off while testing, otherwise you won't hear samples. This first step puts you exactly where changes are made. Now you tap the specific category, for example text tone, because that opens the tone list. Scroll through defaults and tap a tone to preview it. You'll hear a sample so you can compare. If you want a custom sound, choose Add New Ringtone via Files or GarageBand. Format must be compatible. Also set vibration patterns if you need silent cues. Once done, the selected tone shows a check mark, which confirms the change. To finish, confirm the tone selection and simply exit settings. iOS saves it immediately. Then test by sending yourself a message or triggering the notification so you verify loudness and timing. If you don't hear anything, make sure volume is up, Do Not Disturb is off, the ring/silent switch is correct, and any custom file is a compatible format. If a custom tone won't play, re-import it as an M4R or reconstruct it in GarageBand. Then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.